the 8th of May, the Constitutional Court ruled that the Section 89 report needs to be re-looked at, ultimately forcing the National Assembly to establish an impeachment committee, which is where we are today. Yesterday, the committee appointed a chairperson that's going to overlook and handle this entire thing. Who's the chairperson? It's Makashule Gana from the Rise Mzansi party. There were a lot of concerns about whether or not it would be an ANC chairperson, and those concerns stem from the fact that President Cyril Ramaphosa, who needs to sit before this impeachment committee, is from the ANC and is the president of the ANC. But that is not happening. It is Makashule Gana who will be overseeing this. The entire process and how this is going to pan out will be discussed by the committee now that it has a chairperson, timeframes, how long it's going to sit for, and of course the Section 89 report that's going to be before them and the evidence before this committee. Despite all of this, President Cyril Ramaphosa has filed papers in the Western Cape High Court trying to set aside the Section 89 report, the report that is central to this impeachment committee. He wants that report to be declared unlawful, invalid, and to be set aside. In those court papers, it also says any work that the National Assembly, which is the impeachment committee, does should also be set aside, reviewed, and be deemed unlawful. That will be all determined by whether or not the Western Cape High Court deems that report unlawful, and that will ultimately impact the work that the impeachment committee does. The impeachment committee, however, is still going ahead despite the papers that have been filed by President Cyril Ramaphosa. It will be interesting to see how that all pans out, but we'll have all those details on eNCA.